Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get your KSCE results or uh, results online. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to go to your web browser and go here to the URL section and just type KSCE results, and then it will take you to your education portal or uh, your governmental portal. So here we will find the Kenya National Examination Council and make sure it is an AC here on your web browser or the URL. And from here, you can just go to your online results slip, and from here you can just click here, and then it will take you where you can find out your results. And basically you will already be having your own uh, student password or student login, and you would need just to use your username here. It can be an email or anything that you are using, and from here you will need just to put the password. And basically you will need just to click on login, and after clicking on login you will be able to start monitoring or seeing the exams or the results of your exams here on your National Examination Council portal. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.